Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hi kids! In this video, we will learn the names of super easy green veggies. Let's start. Peas. Peas. These are peas. Broccoli. Broccoli. This is a broccoli. Cabbage. Cabbage. This is a cabbage. Lettuce. Lettuce. This is a lettuce. Cucumber. Cucumber. This is cucumber. Celery. Celery. This is celery. Zucchini. Zucchini. This is zucchini. Kale. Kale. This is kale. Mint. Mint. This is mint. Basil. Basil. This is basil. Dill. Dill. This is dill. Green pepper. Green pepper. This is green pepper. Avocado. Avocado. This is avocado. Okra. Okra. This is okra.